What's up, everybody? It's your girl Tyramakael, and I am back again with another video. So today in this video, I'll be showing you all a update on the Bodywave Bodywave 5x5 HD closure wig in 22 inches. Okay. So as you can see, this hair is very beautiful. Okay, this is 200% density, honey. And the only thing I did, this is after I washed it, right? So I washed it, deconditioned it, washed the conditioner out, and just let it air dry. And these are the results, and I just combed it out with a wide tooth comb. So yeah, y'all. So now let's get into this lace. Where? Oh, okay. I didn't think you seen it. But anyway, yeah, y'all, I'm in love with this unit. I would definitely buy it again. And if I do, I'll probably buy it short. I don't know, switch it up. But this is 22 inches, so yeah. Overall, I love it. I love it. I love it. I will show you all me installing it if you want me to. That's my friend in the background talking, and she being disrespectful. Anyway, don't you hate rude people? Anyway, so I just want to show you all this. Oh, y'all like my nails? They so cute. You won't believe what they are. I don't do acrylic, I'm telling you. Y'all want to see a video of me putting these on? I'll show you. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna show you the back real quick. Can you see it? Let me back up so y'all can see. I did a little wig dance. Y'all probably like, this girl don't never wear no real clothes in her video, cause I don't, y'all. I like comfy clothes. Okay? But yeah. If you want to purchase this wig, once again, I will leave the link in the description bar down below. And another thing, I just want to thank y'all for showing love on the first video of the Bodywave hair. Like, y'all showing out. Keep it coming, keep it coming. I love it. Give me more of it. You feel me? But yeah, y'all, look how shiny it is. I also put some silk infusion just to make it smell good, because I don't like that factory. I be smelling that. It don't be smelling right. But yeah, this is it. It's all wavy and cute. I love it, y'all. I love it. And oh yeah, and this is part of the unit too. So yeah. Okay, you guys, that's all I have for you today. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I have like 3 I need to upload. I'm just editing it right now. So yeah, thank you all for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.